Hello everyone. Lately in my LinkedIn as well as in my YouTube page, many people asked me the question how to apply for the internship and can you make a video like how to apply, when to apply, and how my resume should look, how my LinkedIn portfolio should look. Like this, many questions you guys asked. So I thought of creating a video on that, and let me start with answering this first question. Like many people think like for applying internship, we all think like if I don't apply if I don't apply with the referral, then I'll not get a call back. Like that is a major myth. It's actually that is not the reality here. Once you come into the company, you will realize it very very well. Though I had given personally like around 50 to 100 referrals so far to many people, out of that some 2 or 3 people got a call back. So in case if the referral is working, all the 50 people should be getting, right? It's not the case. So basically how these referral work is, in case if you give a referral also, it is going to go through the same portal and stuff, everything is the same. The only difference is in case if that concerned job opening is in my team or within my team, then after I am giving referral, I'll go and give the resume personally to my manager. So that time it helps, but if not, it's not the reality. So I would say, let's say I saw a job posting like which has been posted couple of hours back, then I would rather apply immediately than waiting or going to LinkedIn and find a referral. In case if you have a referral ready, like in case if you message, they will reply in 10 minutes, that's good. In case if you message and then they are going to reply in the next day or after 2 days, then I don't think that referral is really make a change, because I would say in my personal experience, whichever the job openings I applied, the job openings which posted within a hour or within a day, I got many callbacks than comparing to jobs which I was waiting for a referral. Even though I applied with the referral, it doesn't work. So in my personal experience, this is what I would like to say, and this is the major myth. People also think, should I do this way or should I do that way? So I thought of addressing this in the first thing. Okay, now let's move to resume building, how to keep your LinkedIn profile and portfolio page. These stuffs we can go. In case if you want to create a portfolio page, just go to Google, type like free portfolio websites. There will be a lot of websites out there, and each websites will have like a template and stuff like that. You can open it, just go down, like click get started. They will itself have some templates like that. All you need to do is click and then type something, and then there will be an option to host it or something like that. You can do it immediately. So these things are really easy. Creating a portfolio website is really really easy, and if you feel like having one, definitely do that. It won't take more than half an hour to 1 hour. Okay, the next thing is LinkedIn profile and resume building. So in my personal opinion, this both go in hand. The reason I'm telling that is, let's start with your resume, right? So in case if I have a resume, if you have your professional experience, or like if you have your research experience, for all these things, all you will try to do in your resume is have 2 lines or 3 lines about a project, because you need to add like as much as project as possible, because for getting a callback, your project is going to play a vital role in getting callbacks. So instead of having like one project around like a 5 to 6 line or 7 to 8 line, it's better to have 4 or 5 projects, have short answers about it or something like that, because that way you can cover different experiences and different domains too. So that is one major thing in resume building. But in LinkedIn, it's not like that. In LinkedIn, in your profile, you can add project details, as much details as possible. So for example, if you come to your profile section, in your profile section you will be sorry, so you will cross this like for about, you can write something, and top skills, whichever you want, you can write something. And coming down here, the experiences, you will update it. And following that, after finishing this education certification, here we have a section called projects. I do see many people doesn't add about their projects and stuff like that. I don't understand why, but it's better to add in your project details and stuff. Here I didn't add much detailedly about these projects, but it's always suggested or it's always advised to create a project what you did here as detailed as possible. And these having these project section really help. And one more thing which I wanted to address is this skills section. In case if you go to this skills section, you can ask people to do endorse for you. So basically whenever you have like endorsement of 10 to 12, it's always good. And once this endorsement is done, it will take around 6 months in order to reflect it on your page, like it's not recently endorsed or something like that. In order to avoid that, you need to ask the people to endorse you like little bit sooner, or in case if you are watching this video just tomorrow itself, ask all your friends to do endorse for the skills which you want to highlight it. So this is one thing which I wanted to say. This endorsement really helps, because when a recruiter search for your profile, the LinkedIn automatically shows whichever people's endorsement is high. So that is one good thing to have in our profile too. So this one thing you need to remember. And coming back to resume again, as I told, just remember the key things, like have your education, or sorry, have your education over here. Try to keep it as concise as possible. And your skills, if you have anything you can add, professional experience you can add, research experience or project experience, whatever you have you can add. Try to keep it short and try to add this kind of tools and languages. Why I'm telling this tools and languages is, these tools and languages will help people understand what tool you might have used. In case if you're a computer science student, you can use like languages and techniques, something like that. So you can use like Python and C++ or something like that. So in case if you use that, or if you are saying like a website development, JavaScript or Django, then that things you can include here, so people will understand, okay, for creating this website he used like JavaScript and Django, something like that. So that is what really important in resume building, because these style will also help you in clearing your ATS system. And once you clear this ATS system, and if it goes to the recruiter, while seeing your resume they will easily understand, okay, he have these skill set, and I am also looking for these skill sets only, so his resume is really good. Okay, like that they can come to that conclusion very soon. And usually your resume will be looked by a recruiter for hardly 25 to 30 seconds, they say, or even less than that actually. So when they are seeing your resume, entire resume for 20 seconds or something, then just imagine if you don't have a clear set of description what you have done, then you will not be able to stand out in hundreds of applications. So I would say just try to concentrate on creating a good resume, good LinkedIn profile and portfolio page. And also try to keep your GitHub page like up to date if possible. And these things if you take care, then you will be really good. And while attending interview and how to attend the interview, in case if you have any questions about it, feel free to leave a comment down here. I'll try to come and explain. And one more thing which I thought of explaining you is, here for applying jobs, how you need to look into the job and how you need to find the job and apply is, all you need to do is just go to the any company website, just go there, type about like your entry level role or location, which location you want, time type or job category, just select here and then search for it. You will definitely find here. All the websites are little bit similar, and here we can see like it posted 3 days ago and 3 days ago, something like that. I would rather not wait for a referral. Instead, I would have been applied. If I was applying, I would have applied for this position on the day one than waiting for a referral. So that is all I wanted to speak in this video. And I hope this video will be little bit useful. And let's learn. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to comment in this video below, or join the WhatsApp group, or through the LinkedIn. Anything is fine with me. Feel free to reach out to me, guys. And have a good day. Bye.